Vanuatu now, yeah. Vanuatu move now, yeah. Time the voice and bright long you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You need the Vanuatu now, yeah. One referendum, anytime long you me make him choice. Long walk, long straight fast in all time. Any national duty belong you me too. You need no hide, no complain behind. Forward you me mad. ready now. You make it right, you me everyone. Forward, you me march, you me ready now. So I know what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and right long you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You meet love and what's in now, yeah. One what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and right long you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You meet love and what's in now, yeah.
One moment, one time.
One time.
Power is up, no hand, no will for me. Every community.
You me.
You may decide them Lord. Decide them Lord.
So I know what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and right on you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You need love and what's in now, yeah. One what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and right on you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You need love and what's in now, yeah. Come, you me call. Vote long you and me voice long you. Come. You me ready now. When the time long, man what to move now, yeah. Time the voice and bright long you now, yeah. Stand up strong together. You need love and what's in now, yeah. One what to move now, yeah. Time.
Welcome, welcome long first ever debate long national referendum with Vanuatu by Miko through Lahem lo 29 Plumanis May 2024. Special welcome ikam lo Yumi wo Yumi stop long convention center lo titelo morning and to Yumi wo Yumi stop for them live stream ya lo page lo 2024 national referendum. Misale sumpe pa Mr. Pulse moderator lo panel or lo debate lo Yumi lo today and by Yumi first time Yumi must tell one big thank you debater he may come through no more lo good fella sponsorship belong MP Plo Port Villa, Minister Plo Climate Change, Honorable Ralph Rekenvandu, him now him is sponsoring this fella debate whereby you may hold him in a long time. Debate lo yumi lo today, you may say referendum long iya or first ever referendum, you may got two questions lo answer them whether yes or no, and planted you may familiar finish all questions here, and me article 17A lo constitution with them article 17B lo constitution. Lo also, where you been look at the poster where you stop come out finish before low time now, yeah. You make a team long Okata whereby all the time to convince him. You mean all people blow Vanuatu blow vote yes, lot is for national referendum where me led by MP Plo Port Villa, Honorable Minister Plo Climate Change. And then you make at Los Saitia and me former state minister, former MP, where me Honorable the Trusho Kalsakau, where him na him lead him team long no. By Okata 2 or stop the place up, convince him Vanuatu to vote no lo 29 May 2024. Without further ado, me like him to go through law rules play me plot debate. Okata 4 fellas team member lo one side here, only got 7 minutes to talk. But you may notice him say lo first speaker lo one side, but only got some less 10 minutes. Hemi plo allow Okata plo set them basis plo argument plo Okata or point plo Okata lo debate here. And then after lehem all navla one by hemi 7 minutes. Okata member of the team, he got one warning sound whereby he come out. Time you missed up call for 9 minutes the first speaker, more 2 long 6 minutes the second speaker. time you have him sound here, emi minim say you must round him up talk to you from in a long time by time you emi up and to the screen lo front here by all countdown to you fella by you fella save look lehem. Me ask him all audience inside the room lo you may be the best audience lo debate lo you me lo today you may not make him too much noise. Or you may not excited too much, you may not sing out, but leko you may down, more listen, lo to get aside, lo story and lo help him you me, lo discussion dreamy or lo debate dreamy lo today. Now after lo all get a four falaya, but you give him all think, lo talk, lo get but you may give him small time, lo all get only save come in, lo discuss, lo wrap up, lo get before you may save allow him final conclusion lo end. After long, two vala speakers lo each side, team yes, more team no, by you may start them polling play you me. So today you know got voting lo room, but you have a vote online. Color page lo 2024 referendum, but you have a look in polling by me start after lo two speaker lo one side mo two speaker lo navla side. Voting by me on cause same time we debate him end. Me hope see me everyone me clear. From see me one debate by no got question or comment they come lo crowd or lo man we watch lo Facebook. Thank you. Without further ado, question play you me. Thank you. Me take him attention, blow you me facilitators, blow this for the debate, blow take him note. He got comment, we come to together side, blow team. First 10 minutes by 3 minutes, he dedicated equal lo one team member, lo one side team, blow giving basis before. Suppose only use some max speaker, he minim say only go for 10 minutes. But suppose he got different person to do the 3-minute introduction, navla person, he make him 7-minute point, and then by you me come in, blow you me, look him, by you me witness him, what by happen in a long time. Question do you mean, ladies and gentlemen, blow debate do you mean long today, emitalem say Westway, whether 17A, Chinese lo mama law, lo constitution, lo republic, lo Vanuatu, 17A or 17B, emi blow good lo Vanuatu, by hemi benefit in Vanuatu, please welcome and first speaker blow you me, law team, yes.
Good morning, everyone. Team Lumvalai, talam se 17A mo 17B, bahemi good plo Vanuatu. Emi part plo normal process plo country emi start develop since 1980 gam. Yumi got one mama law lo 1980. Process plo mi talam se yumi go lo parliament, plo change mo law plo good plo people lo Vanuatu. Mena mama law italem. Mi valai sta kam lo make one something where yumi sta wande make a long time. You start lo Walter Linney lo 1983 lo government blame, tamoli pass in Vacation of Seats Act. Wali talam se Taman MBA mi kamar lo party plan by losing seat plan. Problem but time ya say emi against Article 5 the Constitution. So now you Mr. Kam Naya, lo straight on long vela road we start lo time ya. You mi look lo national vision lo country blame, national sustainable development plan. Government been consult around lo Vanuatu, every province, every people will come up with them people's plan or national sustainable development plan, vision 2030, where tell them say a stable, sustainable and prosperous Vanuatu. That's the national vision till 2030. One part inside them, Society Pillar 6.3 says enact political reforms that promote stability, accountability, constituency representation and civic engagement. I mean, Mr. Megan, with them change here, by improve stability, by improve constituency representation, by improve accountability, more civic engagement. That's why by good Vanuatu. You started process a long time ago. You start following one in Mama Loy Talem. Referendum is start inside the Constitution of 1980. All founding fathers will life yet will write them Constitution. Mi valai stop town of front stage. Lo launch them campaign lo potvila. Everyone in Talem say mi valai support them. So all man who write them Constitution only support them. Mi valai lo MPs lo Parliament 52 mi valai support them. So mi valai things say mi valai support them from by hemi good blo Vanuatu. Thank you.
Thank you, Team No. You got 3 minutes, Team No, to start time of discussion. Story and blue, you mean? You may allow him 7 minutes. First speak up, Lord Team, yes.
Good day, everyone, by Ken. Also, introduction, blame me, tell them, you may come, you may talk about Article 17A or 17B. Mo tram lo ting ting se hemi kut plo country blo yumi or no? O ikut plo Vanuatu or no? Yumi no kam lo talk about any nara ting ting? Yumi no kam lo talk about any nara theory or any nara something where is imitalem semi influence outside? 17A mo 17B also mo insertion ko inside lo constitution blo yumi blo how now hemi help em country blo yumi. Blo yumi talk about hemi? Mo blo yumi answer em question ya? Yumi must ask Yumi one say, instability hemi kut plo country or no? And suppose for you have answer him question blo talem say no, instability hemi no. One kut fala something blo country. Then article 17A or 17B, but hemi come all same. One road blo yumi manage him instability or blo yumi down him fasim blo instability will stop happening inside lo country. Now, why number yumi need blo? Add them up. 17A mo be inside law constitution. Or blame amend them constitution lo talk about him. You may look him lo time where first legislature blame him start. Time where first legislature blame him start, ikasem tete, fasim lo politic inside law, parliament, hemi change pick one. You may look him now, he can't move, where he come out law, fasim lo political groupings, where he start work together inside law one political grouping. I come lo one time where I stop showing lo yumi. Say all grouping say lista proprok. Mo institution lo political parties hemi no mo sabe holem title man. And so time we all something also mo lista lo proprok. You need to then put rules lo how now. You sabe holem title mo control them. System all political parties say inside mo fasim lo work part inside lo parliament. Play help him yumi stop manage him house here. All rules here by help to blame me put them back. Integrity inside law, honorable house. Mumbai me help me blame me put them back. Focus, blow work blow parliament. Blow by hemi talk about development. Hemi vote law or law. Mo hemi make him work. Blow hemi develop him country blow yumi. A mo be hemi come all same all rule. All rule no more. Blah hemi stop with him blow walk inside lo parliament blow yumi. Rule ya hemi talem say time where you come all same an elected member inside lo parliament. But you come all same one member of the political party inside lo parliament, one MP you must stop together, work together, vote together, move together with them party blow you. 17B, hemitalem says, suppose for you an independent candidate where you come inside, you make them choice for you, by you join lo one grouping, more you walk, move, more vote together with them group here, make them say you may vote law development. From you look one hemi stop happen is that now you become lo one point where you know all groupings, one group will represent them, one majority or representation of people, but one individual hemi start lo work part away law party blahem. Hemi testify him say, in need to put rules say stop in place. Therefore, rule hemi come in place, hemi tell them no more play you move together with them all together. And if party play you or group play you, hemi tell them say, you may want them vote, make them one Chinese prime minister, or you want them make them one move away look of man, you sabe make them. But you must move all same one group together. Why not hemi give him too much focus on all political parties? From inside law one democratic system, privilege law freely from all political parties, privilege law joining all political parties, hemi part, law hemi road avenue, me put on money inside law parliament, and therefore you must then put on all rules for hemi. A mo be hemi come block keep him all rules here, block help him say one prime minister or one leader inside lo one legislature hemi save look block make him development mo plan him all program blahem mo plan him all development blahem where hemi save make him one MP hemi save make him work blahem. You may look him example block time where in the last legislature or the last legislature so hemi just pass. you make at frequent change blow one minister. Na frequent change mi make you say you cost. It cost me plus stop. One minister he come, then he change, the next one he come, then he change. He make him say movement ya, one development in no save happen lo one place. Mo minister ya or MP ya he no save bring him development to come lo place play him from him concentrate to mas plus stop manageable change. Time we you put him role him coincide, lo manage him how one how say hemi work part inside the political grouping play him allow him lo one MP him save make him good work play him. Rules here, or 17A and B, hemi come to blah hemi help him all political parties slowly build him up, leadership blah party blah gada. Hemi help him ogata blah stop together blah likarem every issue blah gata blah kitchen blah party hemi parliament hemi no come one place to me solve him kitchen problem blah kitchen blah party. You may shift hemi go outside lo place for political party hemi operate lehem, and where place where by then political party registration bill with an electoral political party registration act with an electoral act hemi savetin help him only manage him political party and process plolgeta problem lo kitchinia hemi no come inside lo parliament lo cause him instable inside from me looking lo 1991 he come or years where hemi come big fella issue lo instability inside lo parliament hemi issue lo kitchen lo one political party no more. And place now you put them rule, you shift him what him up, focus, honorable house, him make him development, more vote more laws, bring him development come Vanuatu, and leko him start kitchen you deal with him low way. And low way him create him one by him have mold him.
Councillor, 7 minutes is up. You want to finish that sentence?
I mean, rule him come him mold him one leader, him save. So I'm quality blame, Holem title man blame. Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you, Honorable Councillor. You may now give him time, Lord Tim, for vote no. You got 10 minutes, 3 minutes, plus set him introduction, blue you, from my MP. After you got 7 minutes, blue you tell them all points, blue you convince him.
Vanuatu. Honorable Minister Ralph, after lo privilege. Very humble. Okay. You miarem kaman sa di tok. Honorable Minister sa dem tok. Finish na Kaman is up throwing one monkey, little people. I'm starting to talk to me. You aren't talk to me, I'm starting, me talk about process. You are not one, and me go, and me talk about instability. You aren't going to talk about rules, development. Or talk to go good. The point is 17A or 17B. Group now, it looks like inconsistencies. Setting up law, referendum, you go forth whether yes or no. Law 17A or 17B, blow goal, only enact them to law. Mama law, we feel look at inconsistencies. From, for example, chapter 2, long article 5, 1I, or fundamental rights. Fundamental rights, you know, have a throwing boundary. You know, got restrictions. I mean, one fundamental right, law. You born nikam, you know born nikam one member of parliament. You born nikam one ni Vanuatu, one man, one woman finish, you just come contact door retruvia. So, Krupnoi believe say, yes, am you right? But I'm right, blow one MP. So, Pamimi started for talk. All not one colleague Baligam, Bamba Mifle join in, Bamba Ifle Wem and Ifle look. Pamimi Savatal Livel, also talk to beginning. One monkey, government is a throwing people. And the day when we feel like a block later in the house. Now, when we start with them, we'll give 3 minutes, I think, when we talk 10 minutes. When we got 2 hours. So, when we start with them, you are a minister, start them to talk, law process. Me want them start them to talk, me also. He got law article 86, law constitution, 3 something in the more. When we belong, law property belong all people. Time you want them chechen, you must call along one referendum. One, a middle language. Do you want them touch him? Or change him one other language? Or karamat one language? Bamba, you must go back along all people. 2, a electoral system. Well, now you must call him. Number 3, a parliamentary system. Where The constitution, they give him power, you go back local people. Local, they decide. Let me special. Now, time where all normal bill is passed through parliament, through the representatives, MPs, and the house, all honorable members. You mean, we must forget them, but first ever referendum, since 43 years, since independence, first ever referendum. It never happened, it never cut. First of its kind. Lotea, 29 May, every single citizen of the Republic of Vanuatu or the honorable member, where constitution they give him power, you belong, you decide. 52 MP decide inside the parliament. Only decide the bill. The referendum will not decide later. From power, every single one you missed up here, you be your honorable member on number 29. Don't forget them, power, constitution to give up to you. So, you got one system you put in place, electoral office. The other one, parliament. Okay? You got one process. We want them touch them, privilege, kill them, understand? You got one process. Then you come to parliament, you pass through the one process or one system, one constitutional institution, where be electoral office, and before playing all mechanisms plan, look at one general election. All MP, you pass through the system. You know one MP, you go to election, you come, system and I control you. You let them fast you. Parliament, nara on the other hand stop. But to fly it, or the maritime to fly separate institution, constitution.
Mr. Kalsikal, time up please, 7 minutes now.
Sorry,
Maybe one more, Okatayo got two, I got one. You 10 minutes, yes. But Okatayo no kasi na, mi want them only on them time limit no mo.
Okay. Okay, sir, tell you, when we complete him sentence from me.
No. You finish. Me,
Yeah.
me take my attention look at time no mo. Time keep up lo yun them countdown limit no.
Okay, your name. Okay, set. First time. Yes. Thank you. So, Parliament. You go contest. Parliament, you not declare him you one MP. Or say me not declare him, say you win. No, one. Electoral office, say declare him you win. You can't finish. Parliament, by to fly, you maritime to fly. So that you pass through the 7 minutes, electoral commission to give him you come inside the parliament, you got an oath play you. Also one member of the parliament. Inside the office, system to fly fast to fly to get there. Now, people in the looks of say, you got one system where constitution to provide them electoral, but parliament. But inside the office, you got one monkey pa kan, livestock. What am your monkey ya? Parliament play me, constitution play me, and me so generous. Or fundamental rights. While formation, while electoral officer we declare one candidate and we win, Parliament and Mr. Wade give him notice, plus give him oath. Also one member of Parliament. But between two period, one monkey is a Troy outside. Where constitution below no provide for. One monkey is Troy, form one government. Big fella money is spent, all the fly go from Olympi. Monkey people in the look, and the service say no, but in the constitution. But from me one fundamental right. Only create them. Where blessed law, wall. You look cover the form, the center where Parliament is down. You look blessed from constitution, blame and be so generous. So cover only form him outside. Time you go down there, pay. For not to say finish before Parliament, you're crossing out glory carry off. For not to say finish, who Prime Minister, who Minister. So you look. So let's say people no look. But one monkey only throw him. Monkey only throw finish, or the government comes down to Parliament. Fundamental right. Fundamental right. When they draw a big child. Now, 17A or 17B, you come fasten. You may have finished. Minister Italian law. Toto Flem, a week ago, you look papers for yesterday. 17A or 17B. Pan by him, you never have a stop him. Instability. So 350 million, you spent them blowing them. Who you fund them? If you ain't lots of double who? Tayo sa finish me. Kami no sa papers for them. Tayo mo litok to ko koran blanket. Or you should talk to instability. Instability no where? Who you got some instability? You want them fast him. You got all hidden not tayo. But you touch him small. But you touch him. But mi saka mo to ko sem. All na one on the campus, but saka be. Mi saka mo to ko sem say 17A or 17B people you must understand him say you fast him one small frog. You feed him one mamablo frog. You must understand him to say time you come to parliament, time you elect him you also one independent candidate. Time only elected me also one custom movement. Time only elected me also one single MP. 17A or 17B, and we come to fast MU. And we come to fast MU, sorry. Seventeen A or 17B, I come to fast MU. You come, or sometimes you look at picture. Only create him, one card is up to him on horse. Mr. Min long sense. Every single political party is here. Fanako Party, UMP, TJB. Only must go and maintain for stable constitution blocketa. Pro me accommodate them. 17A or 17B. It may not. You serve a lot of people. How now? But you lock them 17AB inside the constitution play you. It may not. For you must have an example. So you come to one custom movement. Okay? 17A, 17B, you come to custom. Plantel you become custom. You may believe le for you come custom, you go. You look president, chief will come. Listen very good. Thank you soon. Now, time you win, you come one MP, or custom movement. Custom movement play you start blockade, block top, block parliament, block 3 months. Finish, only second. From Itapu, from 17A, 17, you come, custom movement, you come join me FB, or UMB, or latest party, or TJB. Finish. You must understand and bless people. Custom movement play you eat dead. 3 months. So, when constitution blow party, even blow, honorable staff blow, TJB say, well, plus now you accommodate them, custom movement, yeah, where you got not right way, all people, where right all people, well, you just remember blow parliament, yeah. Where? So you become Katia from 1980, stop to him, same horse, you again. 44 years now, you must stop him, Katia, blow horse, you must do it. So, time you look at fascinating. You look at me where? You may stop some dictatorship, you may stop corrupting more mindful people. So, one independent party come. Honorable Minister, where Mr. Bia, he come inside the parliament, also one independent candidate. One independent candidate. So now where you stop here? You stop for the comfort zone, play you feel comfortable, and you want them to stop and we come independent. How do you walk?
Mr. Kalsakaw, sorry. Maybe wait a little time.
Oh, okay.
Please, you may not disturb discussion, blow one speaker, technical people.
I think time to Fred Louis Villa.
Okay, give me on bar.
Oh, okay. Of time.
So you got 2 minutes, no more stop. 2.5.
So, MNL fundamental thinking. MNL sama thinking where me feel looks in the street. One process, one lengthy process. You come through electoral, or the pull come to parliament. One process. Everyone is say every district in the parliament, or term, everyone blow for 80 comes say election. Referendum, full for you know something. And be first time. So why don't you one rush? You mean for you mean custodian block constitution. You go back law and we start island of bush. Have me get right plus something. Have me never have a referendum. You ask him one beginning blow USP, but he say no something. One new student blow USP say no something. You think what island blame me too. You something or no? So conscience, you go by how no you go vote. So no, you got I mean audition Mr. Flag game, not running ambulance. You'll think and ambulance at the team. First time.
Thank you for my speech, Joshua Kalsakaw. Let me give him time, 7 minutes. Long. We must apologize to the audience. You've always watch online with them. All member of the team from all timing issues where you make at the screen. But now your time and shoot all right. Make us some confirmation from back. So now you give him time. Blow welcome him. Second speaker. Blow team yes. Honorable Minister of Education. 7 minutes.
Good morning, Laimi, everyone. Mi kam lo morning ya blo no tokpak parabol, no talem drowe mangi. Mi kam lo talem all real fact. By mi statem tok blo mi olsem se mi one lol 52 MP, where only been passem amendment block constitution inside lo parliament. Also one responsible leader lo country ya. Me must be consistent. Long side, long vote, lo me, molol political decision we me making. And suppose me accept them block debate this morning. emi plo mi try convince him. All citizen blo Vanuatu eligible blo vote long referendum, long vote yes. Also me, one MP block that me vote yes inside the parliament. Before me answer one or two questions belong honorable opponent blow me this morning. Me want them carry you me come back. Recently, 2023, all real hard fact. 2023, Kolosab Vanuatu. Emi broken one bad world record. Long cut 4 MP, 4 Prime Minister, sorry. Lucky no more. President blame me with them wisdom where me come. Emi cut. Emi stop him blame me cut 4 Prime Minister. And me cut 3 no more. Emi ask him all lead up long only go together, only talk. One real fact. Lo time blow discussion blow motion of non-confidence. One single MP. Emi cross him flow 3 times lo one day. 3 times. So when I'm not propose flow, amendment 17A or 17B, emi can blow stop him or contain him. Kind situation ya where me spoil him country belong you me. Me want them tell him also say 17A mo 17B i can blow intem or contain them. Political political instability inside the country blame me. Something we me face him since 1995. Take him good note. Country blame me and me limited resources. And me no sabe continue to survive, live lo one culture war, it create them political instability. Culture long political instability. Emi one breeding ground. Long corruption, general corruption, and particularly political corruption. Instability. Culture of political instability. Emi also one kind sickness where emi have a good cancer. Slowly, emi destroy all institution. And slowly by me affect them. Life. Lo yumi way me stop club em hand. Life lo yumi people blow Vanuatu. So amendment ya. Way me make em inside long parliament. By me make a one em. Emi can blow emi restore em. Integrity. Long institution, important paramount institution blame ya when me parliament. By me want them restore them. People you know mo ka trust mo lo. All lead up all kata. May you me yet people you me contribute lo instability. So section Article 17A emi kam block give him back again confidence long all people lo republic long Vanuatu. Me want them kill him some vola. Tok way mi harem. Section, Article A, mo B, but emi never stop a normal process for changing one prime minister. Inokat. All political parties supposed inokat. Confidence lo one prime minister, all isabe, we excuse you all katali pull out lo arrangement lo coalition. Tayo miaram sempay create one kind dictatorship. Emi totally wrong. People blow one to all kiaman tok. All slogan. By no banem two fundamental right belong one MP. Also one citizen belong republic belong Vanuatu. When me enjoy all fundamental right blame inside long Article 5 belong Constitution. No way. Article 17A mo B can belong banem all kata. Only got right belong move also mo want them. Only restriction when bali megem say time you stop inside long parliament, you no makat web lo cham also you want them. You must be honest with them political party where you elect them you. Emi immoral. Lo ko campaign. Andalo one banner lo political party. Andalo platform blem. Andalo logo blem. And tomorrow you come, you resist no more free, no more you go against some political party. Emi now is that creating instability lo country blame. Article 7A, mo 7B kamblo butuh one full stop, you tight long also small sickness ya. Bika time it, misawe komo. Referendum. Referendum emi one. Istablo constitution blame. And istab, I think one time no more. Only mention him. Emi article 86. Inokat proper definition. Lo summarize him. Referendum. Emi blo people. From people na emi ditenem wana emi imitalem sovereignty. Ol kata na li paramount lang everyone. Constitution emi talem se tayo imitachem three particular area. Language, parliamentary system, electoral system. You must come back. Parliament ya province must come back current blessing. From ol kata na li paramount. Whenever you make 17A mo 17B. Emi tachem lelebet parliamentary system blame me. That's the way we must come back. Imi kolmaklo people from emi paramount, hem na imi sovereign, lo imi giving blessing blo hem. And people, it time now ya, lo stop em instability, you must give him blessing blo you, lo imi no makat mo cham cham. Thank you too much.
Thank you, Thomas, Honorable Minister for Education, Law Side, Law Team Yes, and number 2 Speaker, Law Team Yes. First one, introduction, at the 2 points. Now, let me give him time for second Speaker, Law Team. No. Mr. Sumsum, you got 7 minutes. Blow, give him all points to you. And me remind them to get aside blow panel or places. So please, you me give him all talk to you me base him some facts, some data, some history by me help him blow me understand him all points please fella. Thank you, Mr. Sumsum.
Yeah, good lunch to everyone. Me stalo group lo no. You listen lo tok tok lo katalo side lo yes, especially prada wait is finished tok tok. Atikat plante la titing ting inside all same way. Init lo yumi clear mo, yumi clear mo. Imi no kamlehem be you want to tell him I think referendum I think it become also one national interest. Whole nation only want them look one chance. Only want them look one chance, only expect them long time finish come. Say must take place. Ema inokat one man in dispute in place ya. Mi wala tu mula no dispute in place ya. Mi wala agree lo referendum. Issue inside there mi issue blo A17 with them A18 ya now. A17 with them A18 or agenda. Agenda where Kafmani ko setema all people only no sabe. All people only no sabe agenda ya. Ibin kat consultation, lo constitutional review committee, be only no bin come lo talk about
Mr. Sumsum, by call us up the microphone no more. All family me only come late or listen only.
Okay. Yes. So one way me happen na ya, emi dead blow referendum na ya, emi quick to mass. Emi quick to mass. In it in time, Kafmani must send them. Parliament should pass him no more in principle. Parliament should pass him no more in principle. Say country must go to the referendum. Second back lo constitutional review committee. Blow have discussion with them whole country, especially all very technician way. All man will cut background law or something. Blow only look through the constitution. Blow only identify which one part of constitution is set by you review. And very important. That pro referendum you must move from Naya. 1 month is time, people consult. Majority of people country only sabe one na. You talk about A17, you talk about A18, you need him time to explain him all kada. You need him time. You start talk to all sema, you say 90-80% of the role, you need him time. And my first important something, lo side lo referendum we talk about that. But me valai no against some referendum. You me everyone, you want them say referendum must come. Also me everyone, you me say Vanuatu and still stop law. One nation building states blame, transitional period blame. You Mr. Pedro Chachem, performance role institution. But whatever you Mr. Pegam Naya, and me totally wrong, you me pusum ras, you me ras pusum 29 May, lo referendum be taken place, which is majority of population only no sabe. And my first concern bamela. Number 2 concern, Bamba you wala no sabe convincing me wala, say A17, A18, and we no contradict him, Article 5 or Article 7 of the Constitution. Ba wala no sa convince mi wala.
Mr. Subsum, reminded me mo 17A mo 17B.
17A mo 17B. Ba wala no sa convince mi wala. Hemi in breach with them constitution wo hemi stop. And last time mitale finish say imo kut ba yumi kara mi ko lo koti prum. From mi fundamental right lo olmania we koti give him longol keta. Gamane mi plomane chem no mo. Yes, gamane mi plomane chem no mo. Sorry to la honorable minister mi no tok lo itu wala. Emi just one tok way. You me try and find a way blo solution blo country blo yumi. So meeting semi very important. You me no rush. And also mitalem say Vanuatu emi still sablo transitional period blame. You mean him say you must go back blo look full constitution. One way you me call them say constitutional inequality, irregularity, the exploitation, discrimination, deficit. Sometimes it happen today yellow politics. And because by constitution, so you must go back and look them. So time you talk about referendum. You must call you must assume referendum. One stone plus two pitching. But me belong one em. Lo you me koya.
Mr. Sumsum, you face him Vanuatu. Me know them, you attack him.
No, sorry.
You face him people.
Me got people respect to la minister.
Are you willing to stop the debate with them? You face him people.
To la friend blame. Okay. Article 4, Chapter 1, bro, National Constitution. Hemi talem say political sovereignty. Blo Republic, blo Vanuatu. Hemi stop all people. You know, start a political party. Blow you rulum. Blow you regulate them, blow money masave, blow one of party tell them. No, sovereignty blow people, political sovereignty blow country start lo handle people. People just create them party. So, bamba you mo ko baklo constitution, emi ikat plante argument blow mi wala. Mi wala no got enough time from 7 minutes emi very short. But bamba mi come finally lo economy. I think Minister Blame we start with the madam we stop to let talk about say political instability and development. Mi must admit him lo whole nation will salisilaya. Hemi not true. Says not true. Prime Minister said yesterday, next one they come tomorrow. Minister of Finance said yesterday, next one they come tomorrow. Minister of Trade said yesterday, next one they come tomorrow. Process project we stop, funding blame, once we have money, approve funding, you put them all technician, one day be wrong, you will not start in public. Problem where you affect them country today, and my current economic program, and me incompetent, more corrupted. Me duty blahu. And me duty blahu kata wal salo kaman. Me no sabe ko lo detail blehem. Mr. Bin invite them, you will not know whole pot villa. By will come lo full campaign. Lo group no lo sifran, sometime lo next by will harim. Thank you too much.
Thank you, Mr. Sumsum. Let me finish before time. Let me give him time. Lo team yes. You may call on number 3 speaker, Honorable Minister of Climate Change.
Thank you, Thomas. Me want them spend them time with me no more rebut them some little points where come out law. No, debate team. First one. Only talk about Article 5. Say you know so drawing boundary law rights. May not true. You read him Article 5. Well, let's say no, you're not at PowerPoint. Eh? Article 5 is very clear. Emi tell him say rights play you me 1-1. Emi subject. You stop inside Article 5. Emi subject to respect for the rights and freedoms of others and to the legitimate public interest in defense, safety, public order, welfare and health. Good example. Time COVID come, government is stopping bota. Is stopping right blue blue travel. From one end, legitimate interest of public health. One in Mr. Megam now, yeah? Any legitimate interest of political stability. That's what we are doing. You mean us about rights. You must put all boundary, all same way stuff finish Article 5. Article 5 Italian finish. Subject to. Rights subject to. And then time we make 17A or 17B and be clear inside. And we tell them say Notwithstanding, I forgot the actual word blame. Let me tell him
17.
17. Yeah. This article applies despite the provisions of Article 5. Specific article here where we concern right to MP inside the parliament. MP listen mo. MP walk outside the parliament, MP got full fundamental right. The time you start inside the parliament, MP, despite the provisions of Article 5. So let me first one. Rights, MP no absolute, MP no fundamental, MP subject all time. Lo public interest. And that's what drafting lo 17A mo 17B MP tell him. Mohemi one where Article 5 to the Constitution MP tell him. Okay, second point. Sorry, Mr. Lusum, Political Parties Registration Act. Before I've been amended Article 4 of the Constitution, and me amend finish. You don't need to go to a referendum. Now you got a new Article 4 of Vanuatu. And then me tell them say, subject to legislation passed by Parliament, political parties may be formed freely. First time, no more political parties may form freely. So amendment, you pass finish, you don't need a referendum. You got one change the Constitution, it happened in December last year. And now you got Political Parties Representation Act. And inside them, me tell them, by every political party must amend them constitution blame for them point law MP Kalsagao, former MP Kalsagao. You must cut inside the procedure for disciplining members of the political party, including termination of the membership from the political party. You must cut provisions outlining the grounds on which a member of the political party is deemed to have ceased to support that political party. You must cut inside the constitutional party provisions outlining the grounds on which an independent member of parliament is deemed to have ceased to affiliate with that political party. So hear me through. Every political party now, yeah. Pambali must amend them constitution. Proputumal something inside. More suppose hear me no satisfy electoral commission. By electoral commission is have a deregister party. So what is the law now? Mi fala must straighten kitchen. And I mean I'm one important part of political reform. Yeah. Political party must straighten kitchen now, yeah. Enough for half is town local and half is town opposition. You me tight. Enough floor one year on well semi like back also me also me MP tell him he cross him 3 times floor one day. Enough. You me try him straight him you me to stop him all nonsense. Number 3, stability. You me no come blow make him absolute stability 4-year one prime minister from one from any dictatorship. You still want democratic country. You must have a change in prime minister within 1 4-year period. Suppose prime minister will something where you no good all kata. So you may stop him one man champ, but you may allow political parties to move. So you may not want them full stability. No, I mean a dictatorship here. I mean like I'm Russia now or China. No, you may Vanuatu, you may want democratic state. You must have a change of head of government during 1 4-year term. Suppose I make them something you know straight. But political party now by move. By you know one money cham. For one money cham now you make it say, call us up, you make 2 general elections, 2022 and 2023. Think about snap election of 2022 from instability. Call us up, snap election back and where you know 1 year yet. From one money cham. Number 4 point. You may talk about awareness. Government launched an awareness campaign blame law last month. 1 month ago. Government put one big fella budget, work out every island of Vanuatu, mo okay, stop and finish. Or MPs, or like budget, every place, government, MA just come back, Pama, before yesterday. Ambay, Tuesday. Malakula, mi first island. Awareness is stop ko, yeah. Me stop make awareness to Ambre, me go time, political campaign, make awareness to referendum. Me make awareness to Santo, me make awareness to Villa. Awareness is stop ko. You still got 2 months here to stop, to make awareness. But everyone, Vanuatu is have understand. Mo me sponsor this panel, lo money blow me. Lo ivala haram tivala side lo vote, ivala sa make him think tivala. Ivala haram full awareness, haram no side, haram yes side. Point number 5. And we want to come back to last speaker law, no side. And we tell him say, instability in a spoil development. And we show him no more say, money I never start parliament. And we don't understand them, nothing. You ask him every civil servant of this, you ask him every former MP. Instability is stop development, clean one. So much. Me fella go spend them last year, 2023. Me fella MP, me fella spend them, I think 3 months lol camp lol island. kolopele, nothing happens. All civil servant only start wait, no decision is I make, no minister is I sign him letter. Last year I got 5 ministers of land. All file HIFAP, all mine make them lease. That's why you good MPs who can make awareness. From time you're MP, no understandable something, you start talk about nonsense. Thank you.
Thank you. Me remind them to get aside the house. Blow no personally attack him 1-1. You may give you number 3 speaker blow. Team no. You got 7 minutes, former MP.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you, the privilege Minister for Climate Change. All panelists on our side. Thank you, the audience. Me one honor, defend them Constitution. Mama law. You can defend them Constitution and Mama law. You must stop defend them. You me all people. Against them, behavior, more attitude, all honorable members of parliament. What a shame. You mean Haram government, he talk about instability. But he know he come flu law cause blow instability. Let them walk about what them use full time. Article 4 law constitution he provide them. Political parties may freely form. Then all political party only start law pro. Only start law form all functions. Then he give him all together right under the constitution. Under law article 43, perform one motion, caused by not a single member, not by an independent candidate, but caused by majority, big political grouping. 2 or 3, all manana only cause for instability. Secondly, one other cause for instability, hemi article 42. Sub-article 3, the Prime Minister may remove a state minister. Then he become one game blow revenge. Lately, tell him thank you, well, highlight them. He one game blow revenge lately. It's not a game. Blow respect them, all citizens, all voters, blow together. Yes? Then why you may want them to regulate them and add them up one or something where you may not have a control of them? He may sound good. Time we come out law paper, the Prime Minister may remove a state minister. Next something happen, one of them happen Sato Kilman against some Kalsakau, Prime Minister Narsai. This is a root cause of instability. Political environment, number 3, inside law parliament. Today, plan the political parties, plan the members of parliament, only subject law all businessman, all investor, that he make them environmental politics is shift in no more plus 7 people now. Behemi plus 7 interest, plus investor. Right. 7 interest plus 1 investor. 7 interest plus 1 friend. Suppose you ask me, he got road, you me fix him? Yes, you me so I fix him. Number 4. All parliamentarians blow you me, only missing pattern, where all fala only set and block country. Giving ourselves one nice motto, long God you me stand up. Look at them. Look at us. Mr. talk about cosplay instability. Mr. talk about cosplay instability. And you may call them, you may Joshua generation. After 40 years. One talk, Papa God tell him lo Joshua. Lawyer, when we give him lo Moses, same lawyer, but you carry him. But let them talk and look out lo mouth to you. Joshua 1 verse number 8. Let that word not depart from your mouth. Not from 1 of 52. Not 2 of 52. It must be 52. Or he must take a nation your law hat together. You know come touch him constitution. Where him you regulate them nonsense together.
me listen lo one minister blo climate change with them respect blo karamot 5-1. You mean when them look 5-1 ya stop lo constitution blo one political party because hemi fundamental right blo one citizen. One citizen. Right blo mi blo move, right blo mi blo talem ting ting, right blo mi blo mi talem pick fala group move. When right blo mi. Suppose you want them karamot me no protected lo place, but you put them lo constitution lo party 5. Right me, it must be protected under constitution lo party. Me wrong, you me to wrong Nicolo quote from where you program law. I think him now him you all cause instability. Me save ko mo yet, allow him time so me cut.
You got 2 minutes for MP.
So today, you may come start lo try lo convince him Vanuatu, plotalem say individual MP him cause him instability. Custom movement him cause him instability. No cut. Big fella party him cause him instability. No cut. Power blow prime minister him cause him instability. And it is the reason why Constitutional Review Committee when me privilege blow party him, me tell him give him one government, one grace period. After an election, 12 months, no motion. That's save him stability. And 12 months before an election, no motion. He may you miss him stability. And me haram say government law today, he may tell him say Constitutional Amendment 7, put me stop. You may create one more, amendment number 8. And today you may stop talk law number 8. When number 7 so say me, he may come out, he may address him motions, and he may address him stability. No need to touch him constitution. Very thin fabric. Then you may touch him, you may start to break. Thank you.
Thank you, former MP. Number 3, Speaker Plo, Team No for Vote No campaign for the 2024 National Referendum. We remind them, all audience, no more you will start for them online. You have a vote now. Poll semi-open for vote yes or vote no. And you can change your mind after where you cast them on Navla Ting Ting, Navla speakers later on. So comment lol pages here. You got them have the 2024 referendum with them belong island sand pictures. To just type yes or no on those comments. If you can't do it, you can't access that. Save it for 29 May. You may now welcome him number 4 speaker belong team yes, but give him talk lehem. And think about say you may got 4 speakers each no more after lehem, but you may got short break before one team you come give him conclusion. Thank you, First PA, Ministry for Internal Affairs.
Sa man ilong wala dumas, mi wala short. Good day lo wala mo. Everyone welcome to listen inside the house mo. All kata wala listen through lo online forum so stop. Mi klat lugi mol pikin ni stop. Debate ya mi stop lo mi talk about one something whereby mi affective future am lo yo. Ay mi good lo come listen mi believe setting by you so you know understand him good you go ask him lo teach am lo explain him. We got several discussions only come out and me concern all issues flow process long law mo all principles where me stop all principles where me stop by me take him first time osem me not take him all personal by me report him some fala tok wali come out principle blo democracy me base lo majority lo rule blo majority yes lo rule blo majority so time you got one election blo prime minister 27 man only vote lehem o mo, he become prime minister. Majority ya. So power ya only give him long hem. La hemi form him government long hem. So time we hemi appoint him one minister blehem, hemi make the right blow hemi take him out minister blehem. Principle blow democracy ya no. Mandate ya, parliament ya give him lehem. Through the constitution. Okay? So by you know sa dalam sa hemi cause him instability. That executive power is provided in the constitution. Yes? First one. Thank you, lo. Probably say ulenar right. Lo, I acknowledge him say yes, he got instability lo country. I acknowledge him say he got instability lo country. I try him lo identify all causes lo instability. Sadly, all powers all stop inside the same constitution where only comes to complain about the day. Power is inside the constitution. May fundamental rights. You got one eminent person who have been sit down la place, who have one signatory of the Constitution, Honorable former MP Joe Nataman. One topic who have tell one way Mr. Kamlo talk about la place. ating all city, you got some narflon to list up the place. Okay, when you become lo talk about lo tete, yemi one normal process no mo constitution. Full up man tell them say, yes, you must copac lo people. Article 85 lo constitution, yemi allow them. Lo got amendments lo constitution. Kaya you are mo talk about Article 86 no mo, say must copac lo the people. That is true. The first time Article 85 yemi come into effect. And Parliament yemi want them amend them constitution. Hemi amend them, hemi pass them one bill finish, but suppose bill ya hemi touch them three fala something. Language, parliamentary system or electoral system, hemi must take hemi kopak. Process ya is ta continue yet ya. One constitutional process ya parliament pass them bill finish, but from hemi touch them parliamentary system or the electoral system, hemi must conduct them one referendum. Hemi one mo article 86 hemi tala. Time na hemi give him power la you. Mommy. Someone citizen law Republic of Vanuatu. Law, you may custom vote, you may say you may agree. Law amendment by parliament di pass him or no cut. Yes? But him no vice versa. Me no come look you first time. After you tell him yes finish. After me go lo parliament, me tell him no, me walk career. Article 85, me tell him very clearly. Parliament di pass him first time. So se me touch him one lo trivial something. You gotta me go back lo people from mandate. Lo national sovereignty está botemol kita. Proses na mikla. You may not finish it ya. You must ask him say why na you may put 350 million because constitution may require him one referendum. Lo article 86. That is why you may must make him. You know say you may make him from you politics blame you know constitution may require because he may touch him electoral parliamentary system. Okay? So you may clear him. But me want to take one something back and all stop telling say ikat amendment law article 17A with them 17B by him affect them right law movement law one member of parliament. No. Right plus you also one citizen. I meet him all vlabla me is down the place I wear him too hot ya. I mean citizen Anatol Himak with him member of parliament Anatol Himak. Citizen Anatol Himak, hemi no got problem law, amendment law, hemi save move. But time where hemi come one member of the parliament, article 17A with them 17B, hemi come law regulated. Conduct, blehem. Time where hemi wearing one hat, also one member of the parliament. Hemi anamo, restrictive movement blame, also one citizen of the Republic of Vanuatu. But time where hemi wearing hat blame, also one member of the parliament. When he elected law one constituency under one political party or one custom movement or ruler independent. Regulation block conduct blame no more inside the parliament. And now you may restrict him through law 17A with them 17B, provide them policy stability. And why policy stability is important? You may not talk about political stability. Political stability is important from me providing one something only single them say policy stability. Before government have deliver one service, he must cut one policy. Time government have change policy, he change. Time government have change policy, he change. Time policy he continue blow change, he affect them delivery blow service. He simple no more same. Me kam lo lasan lo Republic lo Vanuatu ya. Lo na itom. Me feel like one member of the parliament no. Okay, stop Chinese first play me never harm inside the parliament. Development lo bless play me lo rural areas you know kat. From one end, from you got frequent changes the policy. And frequent changes the policy may happen because of political instability. Process block of money, you got policy go finish, only make a business plan, only put budget finish, and then only pass him the parliament, then you got implementation. Time government change, policy change, business plan you must change for them. So you start with the road, you only can play one foundation stone, the place for you, but you wait, Coco, you know, look him. From you got changes. And so therefore, you may ask him, suppose he say you must have a vote from 17A with the 17B, provide him a level of political stability. Allow him policy stability, government him is implement them service, it take him right down. Kasi mo the rural people while stop down. That is why you may stop campaign say, 17A, with them 17B, have you good Vanuatu? Yes? Me take him say, me kata think 10 seconds no mo stop. Let me want them appeal you fala. So if you look beyond all political discussion siya. Wala look lo reality, lo implementation, lo service.
Thank you.
Vote.
Thank you. Number 4 speaker lo team yes. So list of time lo convince me plo vote yes. Now mi haram team no. Lo convince me plo vote no. For the 4th speaker.
Speaker Inowakuta. I can't straighten some here.
But we start them countdown or no yet? No, not yet, yes. Thank you for my MP, team no.
Hello. Bonjour, Monsieur le Ministre. Mikla Thomas, tamo Minister stop tok tok. With the President blood TJB. Mikla lo haram tula. Pe tamo mikolo one election. You make a platform to present them to people. People you can write to you, lo platform lo 4 years. Mi ask him to hala. You know what referendum lo UMP? No what? Who you can write to him lo kam lo talk about referendum? Mandate lo 4 years. Mandate you know give him lo tana lo natop. Fanwa kupati. Mandate you know give him. You come to talk about referendum from mandate lo policy play you lo 4 years. Lo give him you direction lo 4 years. Suppose only no sabi work lo kata. Only suppose lo resign. President is supposed to dissolve parliament. Why? Only right. Why? Constitution. Lo cleaning people lo country one hemi dissolution. Why? Today you come talk about referendum. Me like lo talim lo yumi. Referendum. Hemi one people on vote. Lo New Caledonia no more referendum 20 years. Lo Bougainville referendum hemi 6 years. Me like lo haskem lo tulet chief lo malakula. How? Tama tule kilumwa na mangi. Take him 3 months. Lo brewerum na mangi. Lo tana tamo yumi Melanesian value tamo mi prepare one kawia toka tikim 3 years tamo yumi tam sa Melanesian value man yumi full of people blo republic blo fanot very discriminate ol tok plakap na ni talim sa democracy pe ol kata 350 million no ilek lo talk about side coin. We wish too much suppose ko no po hemi stop. Lo talk about democracy. How? Side coin is no is to talk about side coin. Why minister no give money? This is an electoral institution. It's an independent institution by constitution. How come? Hey, you missed up one democratic state. This is not a dictatorship. Ano? Sabi pa, no? Please. Milagro talumol sem said, time we got stability. Time when UMP says for his second Maxim Galo, him is still member of parliament. Time when collect plomi, Kwanwake, him is still member of parliament. Behemia, plofulma back, plofulma man lo back, you stop losing seat by you. You think him is democratic? It is that fundamental? No, that's the stupidity. Contradict to the constitution. I know. My friend, that's not the point. You are elected as John Furu movement. You are elected as Namangi out there. My friend, don't deceive the people of the Republic of Vanuatu. Give time to the people of the Republic to digest and to consider. Is that right? Is that right? Today 3 months. Patulat si Vitalimiet. Selo malakula. Tamo ilang lakilibuan na mangi. Take how long? Wait to let come no red roof. 3 months. No. Lotana. Tamo i-prepare man na kawiyat. Toka i-take 3 years. Lo prepare man na kawiyat. That's a Melanesian value to apply. To consider how we can move. To take the decision in the red roof. Hey, my friend, you Mr. Where? Tamo you give 3 months no people. You know, give him the side coin money. How come? Hey,
For my MP Eddie Navlapo and Apatlo 3 minutes, yeah, please.
Merci beaucoup. 3 minutes.
No. Me not stop him. Me remind him for you stop repeating.
Yes.
Na
Osam,
magdalte mo one
Osam, you could play you haram. Or student will haram say, yes. Time where you, young leader today, you come to parliament. You like law full mob you law back. No. By you time we look at one president play you. One prime minister is corrupt. But you still support them. Me like lo tell them you say, me believe say you look at National University, talk, me make them. Tot 2 prime minister. Lo country ya. Hembi one experience when play go through him. Lo 1980. But you know lao lo one prime minister way hemi corrupt. Lo karam country go salam lo country lo different man. Me believe. Side coin. No. Thank you.
Thank you for my people at Nauta. Lo, me last speaker, lo team no. When me last speaker, lo everyone, me service everyone, we stop take note. And Mr. Napier, too much talk side. So, by me give him small time call us up 3 minutes, because lo together side, lo li putu mo last polet plol katab, lo only summarize after the 3 minutes. And we believe team and me ready lo one song, lo you me follow them while you me wait for 3 minutes. We remind them you mean no more voting and me on the Facebook page where live stream and stop happening him. Facebook page for referendum with them him up islands and pictures. Go vote play you after law or talk where you have him today. And we like him also to remind them people to say referendum have me one constituency no more. You me think Vanuatu, you me no think Topa, you me no think Sanma, you me no think Tafea, you me no think UMB, you me no think Fipi, you me no think work play you me no more think different. You me think Vanuatu for the interest the people of Vanuatu were 17A or 17B. Question me lo debate here whether he could Vanuatu or no cut. 2 minutes break. Thank you.
Vote long you, me voice long you. Come. You be ready now. Anytime long, voice ting long you me. One referendum, anytime long you me make him choice. Long walk, long straight passing all time. Any national duty belong you me too. You mean no hide, no complain behind. Forward you me march, you me ready now. You me got right, you me everyone. Forward you me march, you me ready now. So Vanuatu to move now, yeah. Time blow voice and bright long you now, yeah. Stand up strong.
Test. Thank you. Welcome back after the break. And before I stop, I'm trying to get one ask him time, one need tell him no, one ask him question, one need tell him no. But by you me go stick by the rule blow. A debate no more where you me ask him say by no more got questions, more by you me stick lo time. Now yeah, you me give him time blow to get a side blow, team blow only. Give him a last point blow kata. Blow tell him say by you me support him no or you me go for yes. Think about say polling and me open too long. It stop happen to online, so please check them out Facebook page. Blow, save put vote blow you whether yes or no. Suppose you been vote no, Vinis, you want to vote yes, you save make him. Suppose you vote yes, Vinis, you want to vote no, you save make him. Without further ado, you may now invite them team leader, more sponsor blow debate here, Honorable Ralph Regan member of Parliament, blow Port Villa, Minister of Climate Change, for team yes, blow give him final remarks blow him.
Lo 1980. All probably me, only pride them constitutional chief, everyone is step inside, only make them constitution, only for them framework for country. How about you me change them something? How about you me develop? You me start implement them all thing blokata. Time me different. The middle of 1990s, Vanuatu bankrupt. You will say pay salary blow workman blue me. You will make them comprehensive reform program, CRP, to change them system of government. The same time you may agree say you must change them political system. You will set them up Constitutional Review Committee, le 2000. Only walk, only consult round of Vanuatu, only come back. All MPs, le 2004, only pass and finish. Fourth Amendment, the Constitution. 52 members of Parliament, Serge Vohoemi Prime Minister, Maxim is inside, Chona Tumani is inside, Barak is inside, only pass him. Fourth Amendment of the Constitution, he got 17A or 17B inside. 2004. That's 10 years ago. Be, government change, you never got referendum. Something I put him out. Now you make a chance again. You make a chance to make him one way, establish road for development of Vanuatu to make him, to improve him. Country blame to put him some rule of politics, to stop him all rubbish fast in the politics, improve him politics. Every first time you make a referendum from, you may never touch a political system. Try and think about 43 years. Same political system. Even as I stick to 1980, you must cut some adjustment, you may change with them time. Every now and something you must start changing. But it's the first time we got a referendum from Constitution, Italian say, time you touch a political system, parliamentary system, you must get a referendum. You never touch a parliamentary system, yeah. You must start trying to make something we buy him good Vanuatu. We feel like vote finish inside the parliament. We feel like MPs we like a mandate under the Constitution. And we feel like exercise and finish. And that's why we feel like yet, all man we make him law of Vanuatu. We will come back, but tell them say, please, we will want them one change. We will want them lift them up Vanuatu, make him become better. 17A or 17B, by him good Vanuatu. Political Parties Registration Act, and become past finish the parliament. And then you must have a change him. You must have a change or make him say, you may deal with an independent candidate who affiliate the party. Me too meeting say, you know must carry out policy with independent candidate. You control him independent candidate, no more say, and we must vote with them party, lo issues promotion of no confidence. Not something you must make him. You may make him small amendment inside there, you may make him. And then you must make him after. They will stop him, one MP blow outlaw, one party blame. Will affect them Article 5. You need him to cut this amendment to help him good for the development of Vanuatu. So.
Thank you, MNM. Final remarks. Blood team, vote yes. You may now give him last team leader for team vote no. Former State Minister, former MP, Mr. Kalsakau. Already started time, Mr. Kalsakau. No. Thank you. You may wait. Loli Sotemot microphone. You were you just join online, polling, me on, voting, me on. Think about question, blood debate, you me. Me whether 17A or 17B. Me could Vanuatu or no. And to vala team only stop cut last 3 minutes up round them up. Round them up all points blow kata, conclude or campaign blow kata the side. Think about yes or no, lo comment, lo vote.
Check.
Apologies, Mr. Gasakau.
Faftai. Bilak Blotalem, Honorable Minister of Education. It become one important time. Every man Vanuatu, all you know, butterfly, moanis, or they got brain. Bamba even understand one something. We'll talk to the Minister Bintalem, or even private advisor, the Ministry of Internal Affairs. No got one, look at the stapia, emi court, the Republic of Vanuatu. Church, when you talk, learn bloody. And merely talk. You got inconsistencies. Inconsistencies. When me fella look, when me clear. Article 4.1, national sovereignty. Article 4.3, political parties may form freely. Article 5.1, restrictions of only apply to non-citizens. Article 5.1, yeah, no discrimination. Article 5.18, freedom of assembly and association. Article 519, freedom of movement. Article 51, equal treatment under the law and administrative action. You know what one look at all, and me one church, one court. Now, one letter I got him office electoral officers today. We Krubi in Telegram, but my meditim by Villarem. And then I conclude them, or talk, long group no date.
Let me go in line with them question, lo debate.
Yes, of course, Krubi, by meditim letter from me, yes.
Look him letter, lo Facebook, me cut out.
But you intervene, please. You don't come him talk. You don't come meditim. You don't come to talk.
Thank you. Suppose timing me up.
Later, yes. Later, you know, you start disturbing me finish. Mr. Edward Kalmatak, Chairman of Vanuatu Electoral Commission. Dear Mr. Chairman, cease of referendum on the proposed Article 17A and 17B, Vanuatu Constitution change. We refer to the above and seek for the ceasing of our national referendum that is currently underway, contemplating on the newly proposed change of Constitution, Mama Law of Article 17A and 17B. We strongly believe that the manner in which the Electoral Commission is conducting this awareness is in direct breach of Section 47 of the Vanuatu Electoral Act. 47, undue influence. A person commits the offense of undue influence if he directly or indirectly by himself or by any other person on behalf makes use or threatens to make use of any force, violence or restraint in order to induce or compel the person to vote or refrain from voting. It is evident that to see that the Commission and the Minister of Internal Affairs, Honorable Kwanabo, has compromised its position by compelling our people to vote yes in this referendum. A national referendum should be conducted in a balanced way, and the awareness must be conducted in a way to provide and prepare our voters and citizens with all the correct information so that they make the right choice that is free from any form of undue influence from the Commission or any other government agency.
Thank you, Mr. Kalsakau.
By the only emphasizing,
Thank you.
you don't complete
3 minutes. Also, by no fair now, complete 3 minutes.
You don't complete complete letter. With every greatest
Please
respect.
respect them rule plot
With every great
respect
respect.
them rule plot
Complete letter.
Mr. Kalsakau. Mr. Kalsakau, pa you
You
may
don't
not allow
complete
him.
it.
Mr. Kalsakau,
Me
you
read
may
him
not
letter,
allow
let me
him.
complete.
You
What
have a
you-
copy only just possible awareness to you, Mr.
You
Kalsakau.
believe right loan him.
Mr. Kalsakau, you may call out rule plot debate.
don't
You need to
complete
be nakri. Me preview you me before him to come inside. You
Me
never
want
tell
them-
him
me
let me
want
see you
them
need
give
more
me-
time.
me
Mr.
want them
Kalsakau. Mr. Kalsakau, thank you. Thank you.
All
Thank
people,
you.
you will look of man, the Republic.
Thank you, Mr.
You will no
Kalsakau.
vote.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes.
Kalsakau.
Tencha. And then you may look.
Thank you, Mr. Kalsakau.
Vote no.
Thank you too much, Mr. Kalsakau, and all kita nafala. Thank you too much, Mr. Kalsakau, with them all nafala member of the team, you for team now. and also Honorable Ralph Rekenvandu with them, all member of the team Blue. Thank you to mas all get a member of the panel where you fly service stop lo place and also you will always stop lo convention center lo today. Me tell them thank you lo presence Blue Fula and you've always stop for them live stream. We hope say you've like us some information, some question you've like at answer lo debate here. And may no face mo last debate your family. By kat samo and think about say by ikat all navla time where all awareness blow. Team by me work part with them, mo hemi atu by work part with them. And just before me close, me want them to tell them on semi say team yes campaign blog kita bali start them lo interest blimi lo Port Villa lo 2 p.m. lo this coming Sunday lo O and all lo Independence Park lo Wednesday lo 3 April lo one small park lo 6 o'clock long afternoon mo lo Wednesday number 10 April lo Malasita Pulo Fresh Rota lo 6 o'clock lo evening. For team now, Okatoli got one awareness campaign by taking place long Fairway Park lo Friday number 5 April 2024. All man, my woman, please give you one hand. Lo sponsor lo tipetia, MP lo Port Villa, Honorable Ralph Rekenvanu, mo tu valat site lo team, wali stop lo place and Okata wali stop behind too, lo make him sure say tipetia and because successfully. We wish you for one good flower Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your Easter and look at you for the next debate. Thank you.